Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel 24 into 7 offshoring.com. So today again we have come up with the very interesting topic, that is important about image and video. What is the annotation of this? Here are the important things about image and video annotation that you should know for machine learning and to make your annotation project well and good. Important about image and video annotation that you should know. What is image and video annotation and how does it work? The technique of labeling or tagging video clips to train computer vision models to recognize or identify object is known as video annotation. By labeling things frame by frame and making them identifiable to machine learning models, image and video annotation aids in the extraction of intelligence from movies. Accurate video annotation comes with several difficulties. Accurate video annotation comes with several difficulties because of the item interest is moving, pricely categorization things to obtain exact result is more challenging. Essentially, video and image annotation is the process of adding information to unlabeled forms and pictures so that the machine learning algorithm may be developed and trained. This is critical for the advancement of artificial intelligence. Labels or tags refers to the metadata attached to photos and movies. This may be done in the variety of method such as annotating pixels with semantic meaning. This aids in the preparation of algorithm of various tasks such as tracking object via video segment and frames. This can only be done if your movies are probably labeled frame by. This dataset can have a significant impact on the enhanced range of technologies used in a variety of business and occupations such as automated manufacturing. Global Technology Solution has the ability, knowledge, resources, and capacity to provide with all the video and image annotation you require. Our annotation are the highest quality and they are trailed to the specific needs and problem. We have people on our team that have the expertise, abilities, and qualification to collect, give annotation for any circumstances, technology, or application. Our numerous quality checking process constantly ensure that we offer the best quality annotation. I hope guys you like the video. If yes, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe the channel, and for more detail you can also visit to our company website, that is 24 into 7 offshoring.com. So what kind of image and video annotation services are there? Bounding box annotation, polygon annotation, key point annotation, and semantic segmentation are the some of the video annotation services offered by GTS to meet the demands of a client project. As you iterate, the GTS team work with the client to calibrate the job's quality and throughout give the optimal cost quality ratio. Before releasing complete batches, we recommend running a trial batch to clarify instruction edges situation and appropriate work frame time frames. Image and video annotation services from GTS, that is boxes for bounding, annotation of polygon, segmentation by keywords, annotation of key points. So now discuss what is the best way to image and video annotation. A person annotates the image by applying a sequence of labels by attaching bounding boxes to the appropriate item as seen in the examples image below. Pedestrians are designed in blue, taxis are marked in yellow. The trucks are marked in yellow in this example. The procedure in then repeated with the number of label on each images varying based on the business use case and project in the video and image annotation. Some project will simply require one label to convey the full image content. Other projects may necessitate the tagging of many items inside single photograph, each with its label bounding boxes. What sorts of images and video annotation are there? Data scientists and machine learning engineers can choose from a range of annotation type when creating a new label dataset. Let's examine and contrast the three most frequent computer vision annotation type. categorization, object identification, and picture segmentation are the next step. The purpose of whole image classification is to easily determine which item and other attributes are present in the photograph. Second is with the picture object dictation, you may go one step further and determine the location of specific item. And number 3 is the purpose of picture segmentation is to recognize the comprehend what is in the image down to the pixel level in the video and image annotation. Picture segmentation was selected for the specificity to enable use scenarios in a model where you need to know the absolutely whether or not an image contains the item of interest as well as it's not object of interest. This contrasts with the other sort of annotation such as categorization of bounding boxes, which are faster but less precise. Identifying and training annotators to execute annotation tasks is the first step in every image annotation effort, because each firm will have the district's needs. Annotator must be extensively taught the specification and guidelines of each video and image annotation and project. I hope guys you like the video. If it is so, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel 24 into 7 offshoring. Thank you so much.